What's up, guys? Mario here. Real quick while we start the video, before we start it or whatever, I just want to note that I made this video or pre-recorded the video about 2 months ago. So the video is, the content's I guess it's a little old, but so this kind of like a finishing part of the video and also kind of like a review or update. So just want to let y'all guys know that. So let's get to it. Bringing you a quick short video / review. So real quick update right quick. I'm trying to finish the video up on the Titan window. Everything's going good. I just gotta finish it up. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. And on today's video, I'm gonna be changing out the daytime running lights / one of my turn signal lights. They went out. These lasted me about 4 years now, so they were starting to flicker and stuff. And what I'm replacing them with is Auxito LED lights, 3157 / 3156. They come in this little box and with the bags. I don't know if each one's gonna come bagged, but so yeah. I'm gonna link it in the description. And here's what they look like. New design. Ton of LED lights at the bottom and the top, middle, and like 12 in the projector section. So I think that'll be pretty bright, and it would look good. They're supposed to be like the brightest reverse lights, but I'm gonna put them on the front. So yeah, just take off your headlight and then your bumper light. Same thing for the other side, and it's gonna be this light right here. But right now I have my lights zip tied down, so I just gotta sneak into the back and put them in. So that's gonna have them put in right now, and this is what they look like in the daytime. It doesn't look that bright right now because the sun is barely coming down, but guys, that is bright. That is very bright. Dang. I'm gonna put them in and see what they look like, and I'm gonna skip straight to nighttime, guys. All right, so I got the lights turned off, and so here is the lights. As you can see, if I unfocus it, it pretty much blurs out the picture or whatever. Yeah. Let's see if it's my camera first. I feel like it's something. I don't know. So yeah, that's the lights that we put in. They're extremely bright, and yeah, I like it. Also, update on the headlights. They're still running perfect. No dimming at all or nothing like that. So they're still running pretty solid. So yeah, that's what they look like. And I'm gonna turn the turn signal for y'all so y'all can see how that looks like. So y'all are not gonna do that little flashing effect on the inner light right here. I still haven't made a video on that. I've just been pretty lazy. So yeah, that's what they look like. That looks pretty good. So yeah, guys, that's the finishing of the video. I know I'm late, but just something to upload. So more videos coming soon. And I guess thanks for watching.